Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from UDCYD. In our last video, we briefly touched on FAS, free alongside ship, and in today's video, we'll give you a quick summary on FOB. FOB simply stands for free on board. So remember, incoterms are all about obligations, risks, and responsibilities for the cargo or goods, as well as costs between the buyer and seller and when the ownership of goods is transferred. So in simple terms, if a shipment is designated FOB at the seller's location, then as soon as the shipment of goods leaves the seller's warehouse, the seller records the sale as complete. However, the seller is still responsible for the cost of delivering the goods to the ship, or any other costs associated with damage to the goods before loading them onto the ship or vessel, as well as export clearance. So in this term, the buyer is then responsible for costs connected in the transportation contract, as well as any import issues or import costs, as well as import clearance, and possible costs related to damage or theft after the goods have been loaded onto the vessel or ship. So under FOB, there's a lot of communication between the buyer and seller, as they have to coordinate the designated port, the name of the vessel, as well as the date and delivery. In turn, the FOB rule applies to maritime transport and also cannot be used for containerized transport as compared to FCA. So in this case, FCA is recommended according to the amended 2020 Incoterms. So thanks for listening and see you in the next video as we touch on CFR.